A well-crafted employee satisfaction survey can unlock powerful insights, boost engagement, and help you build a thriving workplace. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 essential steps to designing a survey that gets honest feedback, and more importantly, leads to real change. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Define your objectives. Before launching an employee satisfaction survey, you need to be clear about what you want to achieve. Are you looking to measure job satisfaction, identify workplace stressors, or improve company culture? Defining a clear objective ensures that the data you collect will be meaningful and actionable. Step number 2. Choose the right survey method. There are several ways to conduct employee surveys, from online forms and mobile apps to paper-based surveys and in-person interviews. Digital methods are convenient and efficient, but some employees may feel more comfortable with anonymous paper surveys. Choose a format that best fits your workforce and ensures maximum participation. Step number 3. Craft effective questions. The quality of your survey depends on the clarity and relevance of your questions. Use a mix of multiple choice, Likert scale, and open-ended questions to gather both quantitative and qualitative feedback. Avoid leading or overly complex questions that could confuse employees or influence their answers. Step number 4. Ensure anonymity and confidentiality. Employees are more likely to provide honest feedback if they feel safe doing so. Make it clear that their responses are anonymous and will not be traced back to them personally. Using third-party survey platforms or HR tools can help build trust and ensure confidentiality. Step number 5. Set the right timing and frequency. Timing can make or break your survey's success. Conduct surveys when employees are not overwhelmed with work, such as avoiding peak business seasons or major deadlines. While annual surveys are common, consider smaller, more frequent pulse surveys to track progress and maintain engagement throughout the year. Step number 6. Communicate the purpose to employees. A survey is only valuable if employees participate, and participation depends on trust. Clearly explain why the survey is being conducted, how their feedback will be used, and how it will benefit them. When employees feel their voices matter, they are more likely to provide thoughtful and honest responses. Step number 7. Collect and analyze data. Once the survey is complete, gather all responses and analyze the data for trends, patterns, and key concerns. Use data visualization tools or HR analytics software to break down the information into digestible insights. Look for recurring themes and areas that need immediate attention to make informed decisions. Step number 8. Share survey results with employees. Transparency is key to building trust and credibility. Share a summary of the findings with employees, highlighting both strengths and areas for improvement. Even if some feedback is critical, acknowledging it shows that leadership is listening and willing to make changes. Step number 9. Develop an action plan. Survey results are only valuable if they lead to action. Create a clear strategy to address employee concerns, improve workplace conditions, and implement positive changes. Assign responsibilities, set measurable goals, and establish deadlines to ensure accountability and progress. Step number 10. Monitor progress and continuously improve. Employee satisfaction is not a one-time project, it's an ongoing process. Regularly assess the impact of your action plan, track changes in employee engagement, and refine your approach based on new feedback. A culture of continuous improvement keeps employees motivated and ensures long-term success. A well-executed employee satisfaction survey can transform your workplace and strengthen employee trust. Share your experiences in the comments. If you've ever conducted an employee survey, we'd love to hear what worked for you. If you found these steps valuable, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more workplace success strategies.